Remember how I was talking about creating some magic and breathing life into things? Well, I per se wouldn't be doing it. Obviously, there's an app for that. It's called Blipper. Now, what does it do exactly? Blipper is this extremely neat app which is integrating something as big as augmented reality and visual discovery into our everyday lives. Now, how exactly is that happening? Let me show you.
While I headed to a supermarket to find out how shopping for groceries is made more fun with Blipper, we caught up with the managing director of Blipper to find out more about what the app is really about.
Blipper is the world's first visual discovery browser. It is powered by augmented reality, deep learning and artificial intelligence technologies. It basically transforms the way you connect with your world. Blipper takes the physical objects around you to create content-rich interactive experiences both for the consumers and brands. It is for anybody with a mobile phone really.
Well, I finally found a marketplace that any of us would come across daily objects that we need, and now let's go test out how Blipper works with these products and makes it come to life. Let's go. Well, here's a Mountain Dew bottle. Now let's see what Blipper does to this Mountain Dew bottle.
Blipper seemed very easy to use. I decided to try out the augmented reality app on a beverage bottle. All I had to do was scan the Mountain Dew bottle with the phone camera. Blipper instantly started to pop out words associated with the bottle. Soon the label came to life. It gave me several options to play around with. I could view fun videos and even get my selfie on the bottle. Things just got very interesting. I couldn't just stop there now, could I? So I tried it on several other everyday items like Tropicana cranberry juice, Heinz tomato ketchup, and a box of healthy Kellogg's Muesli Fruit Magic. The result for each was equally interesting. Cool graphics and also trivia and other tidbit information such as recipes, nutritional facts, and even fun games. It was worth noting that not only were the 3D graphic components very intricate, but each product's blip was customized right down to the sounds that went along with it. Some of the products, like the Heinz ketchup, even lets you order it online after you blip it. Now that is what we call very handy.
Well, I'm finally done grocery shopping, but I can't live off processed food. So here I am to pick up some fresh fruits and vegetables. Let's see how Blipper makes this fun for me as well.
Blipper works on unpackaged objects as well, such as vegetables. Yes, it works on vegetables as well, a little differently though. With apples, for instance, it does not dive into augmented reality. Instead, it recognizes the apple in a few seconds and offers useful information about it, including recipes with the fruit. Basic information about all fruits and vegetables that are blipped are displayed, along with helpful instructions to grow these fruits. This is what Blipper calls visual discovery. Now imagine the sheer possibility of this if everything around us was blippable. I know what you're thinking. Google has all the information you could need, and it is everyone's go-to search engine, right? But what happens when you see an adorable dog and don't know what breed it is? Can't Google that, can we? That's where Blipper steps in. It is building an encyclopedia of the physical world, which is very refreshing.
Who could have thought grocery shopping could be this much fun? But Blipper doesn't stop just there. It has some very neat tricks up its sleeve when it comes to art, beauty, fashion, and a whole lot more. Let me show you how.
Blipper continues to amaze with its versatility. Blip any tinkle cover and it rearranges it into a fun puzzle instantly. Blip the periodic table or the solar system, and that too comes to life with fun animations which are rich with information. Even a lot of popular movie posters are blippable. I blipped the poster of Bhootnath Returns and it had fun options to listen to a jukebox of its songs on YouTube or even book tickets through the blip itself. For all beauty and fashion lovers, blip a poster of Max Factor and it takes you through a guide to find the perfect makeup for your skin type. My personal favorite blip was with the Indian rupee, which popped some very interesting information about Mahatma Gandhi. And of course, it maintained its quirk and even let me get a selfie, Gandhiji style.
But it's also important to consider how heavily reliant this is on our 4G network, and I hope our telecom companies can keep up with that demand.